The CIFR Radar project explores how new technology might help promote financial stability through improved regulatory intelligence. The central goal of our work has been to understand how the forces of faster computing, network data repositories, and digital organizational models might help evolve an improved regulatory architecture. This concept involves understanding how to facilitate information sharing across organizational boundaries that might otherwise prevent important financial trends and risk factors from surfacing at an early stage. The central challenge for regulatory community is how to achieve sufficient agility to respond to a more rapidly evolving business world. Digital business models are placing new demands on the regulatory system to evolve the practice of rulemaking, the interpretation of such rules, their supervision, and the practices of licensing, registration, and market surveillance. Regulators are searching for new ways to be better informed about new business practices and to be engaged with market innovations, yet remain agile in their response to the possible risks to financial stability. All the while, this needs to happen with a pragmatic attention to the costs and friction of regulation so that these efforts do not impede entrepreneurial vigour and economic growth opportunities. Our research surveyed the history of exponential growth laws in computing and some noteworthy organisational responses using case studies. Agility is an important strategic concept in military science, which is shown to have modern parallels in the design of digital organisations. The key concept is that of the information bottleneck, when one part of the system is slow to respond to a changed situation. We provide case study examples of how such bottlenecks have been overcome with organisations such as Wikipedia, via distributed editors, and the World Bank with their use of web-based data portals. We describe the concept of a social machine. This is a networked organisation of people and computers where the information flows are designed to avoid bottlenecks. The resulting collaborative human-machine architectures combine the best of human sense-making with the agility and speed of digital data processing and communication. Such organisations can be more effective in the reach of their knowledge and the depth of their insight. Case studies are provided with the US Office of Financial Research and the UK Global Registry search engine, Open Corporates. Finally, we consider the practical policy dimensions of change. These include the politics of data and the emerging political economy of data, among the natural constituencies of data contributors, data collectors, and data consumers. The policy issues involve the organisational behaviour and incentives regarding data ownership, access control, privacy, and sharing protocols. The open data movement shows some promise in addressing these. Our central recommendation is to explore the use of public-private collaborative data portals and the use of open data protocols for the making of public data utilities where this makes sense. We propose a Financial Intelligence Data Office, FIDO, as a clearinghouse to facilitate linkage of existing data portals. This might facilitate public-private collaboration on regulatory analytics to create greater system-wide visibility for enhanced financial stability.